Hi, this is Roger. So just a quick overview of the Opportunity Index, uh, and we are currently looking at it for Duval County, and you can see the colored areas represent census tracts, and I'm going to switch this to focus on a specific council district. Let's go with District 1, Joyce Morgan. Now we see just the census tracts in that district on the map. And we also see some data. So let's look at these metrics. We have an average risk index for Council District 1 is 59% relative to the average for the county, which is 50%. The number of youth, 16,214. Number of youth under 5 is shown, and so forth. So you have a breakdown by ages within the district. Here we see a hexagon with 6 metrics: health, early learning, education, financial stability, family environment, neighborhood safety, and a gray area, which is a representation of the various risks for each of those metrics. To drill down and see the detail on those metrics, we move up to the right-hand side where we see these icons. First, we have health, which we see percent of tract labeled food desert, 53%. Percent of youth with insurance coverage, 94%, and so on. Our early learning metric is showing 8.7% of the youth enrolled in early learning. We don't have any values at the moment for VPK in these neighborhoods. Education, we'll have those data soon. Financial stability, average median income, $40,432 according to the Census Department. Percent in poverty, and that's the key index really, is 20% relative to the county. Percent receiving public assistance, and 7.4. And then we move to family environment, 12% of adults without high school diploma, 43% of adults without post-secondary education, and so on. And then neighborhood safety, number of crimes in the district, 3,417 in the reporting period, which was for 17-18. It tells us the number of violent crimes, and in particular, the number of Department of Juvenile Justice touches, 580, with 161 reported juvenile felonies. So if we wanted to see an area which has a greater risk for youth, we could go to, let's say, District 9. And here we notice that the gray is larger here, in particular in the areas of health, neighborhood safety, family environment, and financial stability. Financial stability, 33% in poverty. Average median income, almost half of what we saw in District 1. Early learning, 6.9% enrolled in early learning programs, and so on. And the number of violent crimes considerably higher here. So you see how that correlates the size of the gray area for a quick visual interpretation. And then you can go over each census tract and see the average risk index within that census tract, 89% in that particular one, 98% in that one, and so on and so forth. We also have an asset map and risk breakdown, but I wanted to make this a quick video just to give you an idea of what you can see from the Opportunity Index, as we're calling it. Thank you.